What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sieben, and today I am making a video to explain how I have failed you guys. I started this channel with the intent of it being about personal credit and finance, and I really just am not that passionate about it. I felt as I was making these videos, I started cycling Amazon FBA wholesale videos because that's what I'm doing as my part-time business, and I've really discovered that that's where my passion is. Full disclosure, the personal and credit videos do much better than my Amazon videos. I think there's more people out there that are looking for ways to manage their credit, their finances, and to improve their financial situations. My one credit card video has almost 1,000 views. For me, it's huge at the time of recording this video, but what I've determined is this isn't necessarily my passion. It's something that I'm good at and I'm cognizant with for my own personal lifestyle, and something that I've always been good with and have been knowledgeable about, but it's not really where my passion is, and it's not where I want to see the video going. Being fully transparent with you guys, I want to shift the focus of this channel. I've recently hired a video editor and graphic designer. He's going to be helping me with my videos. You're gonna notice hopefully in the coming weeks that the quality becomes a lot better than what you're used to, and hopefully that this channel will be able to perform a lot better because of that. And I'm going to be focusing my effort, my time, my attention on Amazon selling, e-commerce in general, and then niching down to the Amazon FBA wholesale business. So you're gonna see a lot of content. If it's something that interests you, please stick with me. I will have a ton of great information as I'm navigating through my business, learning about tips, tricks, strategies that are working in our everyday business. I will be sharing those tips and tricks with you. Again, you can always feel free to ask questions down in the comment section or hit me up on my social. I always post my social on my videos, and I'll be more than willing to answer any and all questions for you guys, as well as it helps drive my future content to know what you guys are interested in. Because at the end of the day, I really am passionate about giving you guys the free knowledge and information that I've spent thousands of dollars and thousands of hours of my time learning and acquiring. I want to help as many people as possible be successful with selling on Amazon and selling on e-commerce platforms in general. So I would really love to hear your guys' feedback and help guide this channel in the direction, and stick with me and we will grow this channel and be able to help as many people as possible. On that note, I want to ask you guys to please give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so you get notified every single time I put out a new video. And I really hope that you guys will stick with me throughout this transition, and we will be able to put out some A+ quality content so that you guys can be successful when selling on Amazon and online platforms, and we will all be successful sellers in the future. Thank you to everyone who has supported me up until this point, and I look forward to working with all of you guys and hearing from each and every one with you and connecting in the near future. Take care guys, have a good day.